Children, today we are going to study chapter 1, Introduction to Object Oriented Programming Concept. In this chapter we will be discussing object oriented programming. What is object oriented programming? Then what is the object? What are the principles of object oriented programming? We will discuss Java history, how Java come into existence. Then what is bytecode translator, Java compilation process, how you will compile your program which you are writing on the system. In BlueJ, when you are writing the program, how it is compiling step by step, and then what is source code, what is object code, and what are the various features of Java. Different features of Java we will be discussing in this chapter. So the first topic which we are discussing here, introduction to computer language. First of all, you must have heard there are natural languages which we are speaking, like English, Hindi, Tamil, or any other language. Similarly, there will be special language required when you want to interact with your computer system. So in order to interact with the computer system, we have different languages, and language comprises of various symbol words, and there are different rules for the specific languages. There are various languages like C, C++, Java, Fortran. So there are many languages, but nowadays Java is used as the worldwide programming language. So now what is a programming languages? When we are talking about Java is a programming language, it automatically comes in our mind, what is a programming language? So programming language is the program which you are writing using a set of instructions which you are writing to find the solution to any of the problem. Suppose you want to add two numbers, so then there are various steps to add those numbers, and you will be writing the program using the symbols or the statement. So that is, the statements and symbols are provided by your programming language. Java is also one of the programming language. So now what is a program? Program is a set of instructions which you are using from any of the programming language. Here we are writing the program using the Java programming language. We will be using the set of instructions or the symbols which we have been there in Java language. Now what is programming? So the procedure which you are using to write the commands and statement in order to find the solution for the programming, for the problem which you have, then that is known as programming. For example, when we want to add two numbers, so the problem is to find out the addition of two numbers. So we will take two numbers, that is suppose 5 and 10. Then we will perform the addition of those two numbers, and then we will store somewhere the result and display the result. So these all steps to find the solution to find the sum of two numbers, that is known as programming. Now who are the programmers? We, the person who are writing the program. When you are writing the program, children, then you are also referred to as a programmers. Now let us come to system programming language and application programming language. System programming language, as the heading says, system programming language. So these are the languages, programming language, which we are using to write the system program or an operating system. So these are the special programming languages which are used to interact between all the resources. Like we write the program, system programs are written by the developers, high level developers. They are writing the system programs which controls the overall operation of your computer system. How, when you are giving the command to print the document, then it sends the request from the computer to the printer, then printer prints the document. So these are all handled by the system programming languages. Now comes the application programming languages. As the word application programming languages, from this only we are getting the answer applications. The applications are different softwares which you are using in our daily life. Like everyone is using the banking system in order to do the transaction, to withdraw the money, to deposit the money. So we all are doing this by the banking system. The banking system control program is also the application program. Suppose railway reservation program. So these all programs which are related to any specific area, these are the customized software written using the application programming languages.